Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Solana. Just wanted to do a quick update. As most of you know, I try to cover Solana at least every once in a while. I know a lot of you are trading it. I know a lot of you are holding it. So just wanted to give you my thoughts on it. I almost have to sneeze, so hopefully I can keep that in. But yeah, basically what we'll do is we'll do a full analysis, all right? I don't think we'll talk that much about fundamentals. Like sometimes with Solana, I check out some network statistics. I don't think we'll do that. I mean, there's enough to talk about regarding the technicals. Because Solana right now, I mean, obviously, if you zoom out a little bit, it's very bullish. Like it rallied last week. Like last week, it was very bullish. Right now, I would still consider it bullish. Like it hasn't even retraced past the 0.382 FIB. But it is showing some bearish confirmations by getting a bearish breakout right here, by dropping down below the 0.236 FIB and then respecting it as resistance. So that's the interesting part. And that's also why technically there's enough to talk about. And well, fundamentally, like the fundamentals are interesting to kind of know what's going on, but they're not necessary to know. So yeah, that's what we'll do. Before we do that, I do want to tell you though that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades as signals. I'm a profitable trader, but apart from that, you also gain access to a chat room full of traders and my own trading guide. So if that sounds interesting, consider joining. I'll leave the links down in the description and a pinned comment. So there you can also find out a little bit more. But now onto Solana. So the thing is that if we take a look at the full situation, the situation for Solana really is neutral, all right? It could go both ways. And that's like, personally, technically, I'm actually leaning towards being a little bit more bearish on it. And that has to do with that bearish breakout, with the fact that the 28 EMA does not seem to be supplying that much support. And it also seems that the open interest and the volume are dropping down, which means that momentum is being lost. And you need momentum to push up again and potentially get up to $25.5 and $26. Like if there's no momentum, that's not going to happen. And right now there's no momentum. Like momentum could return, but there's no indication of momentum returning right now. So technically I'm a little bit more bearish. Now fundamentally, what's happening today, which is actually a blessing for Solana, is that we have initial jobless claims and continuing jobless claims numbers coming out, which will make Bitcoin move. And if they are higher than expected, then that will probably cause a bullish breakout for Bitcoin, which would probably make Solana break above its main resistance right here, above around $24. And if it breaks above that, it's rallying time, and $25.5 and $26 is next. So that's kind of the wild card for Solana. Purely technically, what I expect is that it will drop down towards the 382 FIB level around, let's say 22.1 and 22.4. That's kind of the area. All right, let me visualize that a little bit better. This is the area which I expect it to drop down to. And then from there, if Solana is not able to break above 23.5 again from there, then that's bearish confirmation. All right, because this is the strongest level it has. And if from that strongest level, it's not able to get bullish confirmation, it's more likely that it will continue to drop down towards 21.5 and that whole level around 21 and 20.5 afterwards. All right, so that's I think the main thing to look out for and to keep an eye on. All right, Solana will drop down to that level. And then from that level, if it finds resistance at 23.5, it will continue falling down. If it breaks above that level, it will rally up higher. All right. And I would say purely technically, looking at the open interest, looking at the volume, this is a bit more likely. But I'll keep you updated on that. All right. And personally, I'm still open for it rallying higher as well. I'm not short. I'm not long. I'm just waiting for enough confirmation. So that's my take on Solana for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.